Driving near large vehicles like trucks, buses or tractors, knowing how to safely share the road with them can prevent serious accidents. Let's cover the key things every driver should know, whether you're on a motorway with a lorry, in town with a bus, or on a rural road behind a tractor. These safety tips are for you. Tip 1. Give them space. Large vehicles need extra room for turning, stopping and changing lanes. Never try to squeeze past a turning lorry or bus. They often swing wide. Avoid driving right next to large vehicles, especially near roundabouts and junctions. If you're passing, do it decisively and safely. Don't linger in their blind spots. Tip 2. Watch for blind spots. If you can't see the driver's mirrors, they can't see you. Stay out of the no zones. These are large blind spots at the front, sides and rear. When stopping behind a large vehicle, leave extra distance. They may roll back on a hill start or obscure your view at junctions. Tip 3. Don't cut in. It might be tempting to pull in quickly after overtaking, but don't. Large vehicles have longer stopping distances. Cutting in front of them is risky and could cause a rear-end collision. Always wait until you can see the entire front of the vehicle in your mirror before moving back into the lane. Tip 4. Be patient on rural roads. Behind a tractor or agricultural vehicle, don't tailgate. They might be wider, slower, or carrying uneven loads. Look for safe, legal places to overtake, never on bends, hills, or junctions. If the vehicle pulls over to let you pass, give a wave of thanks. Have you ever had a close call with a large vehicle? What do you find most challenging when sharing the road with them? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more real-world driving tips to keep you safe and confident behind the wheel, be sure to check out the related videos linked throughout this Drive Smart series. Tip 5. Anticipate their moves. Large vehicles behave differently, and they need more time and space. Expect wide turns, slower acceleration, and longer braking distances. Watch their indicators closely and always give them time to complete their maneuver before making your move. Whether you're navigating motorways, towns, or country lanes, understanding how large vehicles operate can make you a more aware, courteous, and safer driver. Thank you for watching, and remember, when you drive smart, you drive safe.